Hi everyone, welcome to another session. In this session, we will discuss types of firewalls. So you may see some questions regarding this topic. So the type of firewall we need to understand for the CISSP exam. So let's get started. Types of firewall web application, WAF. We call it WAF. So WAF protects website by filtering the traffic between a web app and the internet. It blocks attacks like cross-site scripting, cross-site request forgery, and SQL injection. Some WAF come pre-configured with the OWASP security rules. A simple example, think of WAF like a bouncer at a club entrance who checks guests' behavior. If someone tries to sneak in with harmful intentions, for example, fake forms or malicious code, they are blocked. The second one is a firewall next generation. So, next generation firewall, the purpose goes beyond just allowing blocking traffic based on IP ports or source IP or destination IP. It inspects what inside the data. Deep packet inspection functions, intrusion prevention, IP, app level protection, and smart filtering. So it offers a lot of features, multiple features, which could be enabled based on your requirements. So it does, it can do deep inspection, but I have also seen in the corporate environment that they have next generation firewall, but they use only some features, right? So they do not enable all the features. So you can enable them as per your use case or as per your requirement. So simple example, next generation firewall like a security guard with X-ray vision. They don't just check IDs, but also scan what inside the bag, ensuring no hidden threat come through. Right. So deep, that calls deep inspections. Third one, a deep packet inspection. So deep packet inspection, packet inspection inspects and filters both the header and payload of a packet that is transmitted through an inspection point. So it reads the entire data packet, both the header, who it's from, and payload, what's inside. Detects spam viruses, intrusions, rule-breaking traffic. Simple example is imagine opening both the envelope and the letter inside to see if it contains bad content, not just looking at who sent it, right? So you do not check who sent it, rather you open it and also check the content itself. So that is deep packet inspection. Unified Threat Management, UTM, it is multi-purpose device that combines firewall, IDS, IPS, web filtering, antivirus, VPN, bandwidth control. So, as I said, multifunctional device composed of several security features in addition to firewall, may include IDS, IPS, TLS, SSL, proxy web filtering, filtering, quality of management, bandwidth throttling, NAT, VPN anchoring, and antivirus. More common in small and medium business. If you see question related to that topic, which could be a more common in small and medium business, that could be unified management. So It's a like Swiss Army knife for network protection. One tool with many functions, easy to use and cost effective. So it has multiple functionality. So another important slide, firewall types, um, and OSI layers. So you may see also questions regarding firewall type and on which OSI layer they do operate. Uh, I have seen feedback from different people that they have seen at least one question related to this topic. So firewall types and on which OSI layer they operate. So for instance, if we talk about stateless firewalls, they operate at network layer 3 stateless. Static packet filtering firewall, it it operates layer 3 and layer 4. Application level firewall, as we know, application layer is layer 7. If firewall is application level firewalls, it operates on layer 7. Circuit level firewall, it operates on layer 5. Stateful inspection firewall, it operates network and transport. Means network layer, as we know, that is layer 3 and transport layer is 4. That deep packet inspection firewalls, all layers focus on application. Layer 7, next generation firewall, all layers focus on application. Layer 7, internal segmentation firewall, network layer 3 and above. Web application firewall operates on layer 7. Unified threat management, all layers, host-based firewall, all layers, virtual firewalls depends on firewall type. If it is stateful, as we know, it operates layer 3 and layer 4. A next generation firewall NGFW operates on layer 7, and proxy server, uh, primarily application layer 7. So important thing is that we need to know the firewall types and as well as on which layer they operate. I hope these slides will help you to understand about the types of firewall and also on which layer they do operate. Thank you so much for watching this session. If you have any feedback or question, kindly share in the feedback section.